Innumerable qualified but unemployed nurses in Meghalaya on Friday attended the overseas job fair organised by the state government in Shillong. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma attended the event as the chief guest. Talking to reporters, the Chief Minister said there is a huge gap in the delivery of health care services, especially nurses, at the international level. For the first phase of this programme, over 1,000 of nurses joined. Expressing their interest in employing and engaging nurses from Meghalaya, agencies from several countries attended the program. The nurses who register at the fair will be given training in Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore. During the training, these nurses will be trained in language skills too. Agreements will be entered into with the parties from overseas that are interested in recruiting these nurses. The government will be investing about Rs 50,000 to train each nurse. The Ministry of Labour also been roped up for this program.
And hopefully
for caregivers and wants to.
As many as they qualify, we will be happy to support as many as possible. And we hope that once this happens, this will be a huge impact, not just in the personal lives of the individuals who get through, but for the overall state where foreign exchange, different connections and different sectors will then open up for economic activity in the state with the country with which we are able to partner with and send our manpower out there. So it's a great step forward.
So this is really good. You've seen the kind of response everywhere we were touring. The one thing that I got to know is too many nurses are without a job, and like the Honourable Chief Minister said, paramedicals. There's a huge market for paramedicals as well. This is the new opportunity that we are seeing. We have the manpower, we have the people, and the government is doing a very good thing by supporting these young people.
Ayushman Bharat School Health